Welcome back everyone to another series of Mastering Your LinkedIn Profile. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can change and customize the URL of your LinkedIn profile so that you can make it look presentable and ready to be shared with recruiters or hiring managers. Before we start, hit the like and subscribe button below. So I'm going to start by showing you all how a typical LinkedIn profile URL looks like if you haven't customized it yet. So as you can see over here at the top, you can see that just behind this person's name appears a set of numbers, so 0026082118. Ideally, this is not the exact URL that you would want to be sharing with people or be sharing with recruiters or hiring managers. It just does not look appealing and it does not look very professional as well. Instead, what you want to do is to have a URL that does not have any numbers behind it and that specifically just states your name. So for example, in this URL over here, you can see linkedin.com and then / my full name over here. So what this does is that this shows that your URL looks professional and it looks presentable so that you can send it to business partners, recruiters, or hiring managers. So how do you customize your LinkedIn profile URL? So when you log into your LinkedIn profile, the very first thing that you're going to come into is your homepage, which is right over here. The second thing that you want to do is to head over to the Me button at the top right hand of your page and click on the downward arrow and click on View Profile. This will now take you to your LinkedIn profile page. In your LinkedIn profile page, I want you to look at the right column over here where you will see profile language followed by public profile and URL. You would want to click on the pencil icon to the right hand, and now you would find yourself within the settings of your public profile page. Head over to the right hand column again under the header called Edit Your Custom URL, and over here you will see the URL that you have currently for your own LinkedIn profile. Click on the pencil icon to the right and you're able to input your full name over here as your custom URL. I recommend putting in your full name as this is going to look professional and this is going to look presentable because it represents your own LinkedIn profile. However, if you decide to use a company name, I would recommend keeping that for a company page that you have, while your personal profile should have your own personal name instead.